Flipkart, the e-commerce giant backed by Walmart, has stepped into the quick commerce game with Minutes, promising lightning-fast deliveries in 10 to 15 minutes, starting in Bengaluru, serving areas like HSR Layout, Gunjur, Bellandur, and Katabisanahalli. From electronics to smartphones, they've got you covered. With plans for 100 fulfillment centers, Flipkart is ready to take on Zepto, Instamart, and Blinkit. Vice President emphasizes grocery expansion in metros and Tier 2+ towns. Stay tuned as Flipkart races to meet your needs with lightning-speed deliveries.